Hey guys, I'm going to show you a way that you can let your mainspring down on one of these small, see, one of these small German alarm travel movements. You take this little gear off, which stops the alarm at a certain point by this big notch here. If you take that off, you can pull your alarm stem out until that mainspring runs down. Of course, you have to have your alarm set, but it works. Just to make sure that there isn't any power left. Let me show you how to do that here. I'll maybe put that gear back on. It'll be a little fussy. Of course, I'm having a little trouble here, but I'll just show you with it off. Change of plans. You wind this spring up somewhere, you get the idea. This key will go on here. So I'm having so much trouble. That's how these things are sometimes. I'm going to spring up some, and here's the idea. And then make sure that there isn't any power left, as there can be sometimes in these things. But yeah, I hope this helps you, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.